Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Vilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is a 15-minute chart of gold in front of us. And yesterday, when we were discussing about gold, we clearly discussed that we need to be careful because of the extreme volatility. Last day of the month and also the last trading day of the week. But honestly, we were not expecting this. Trading was closed. Market was closed for few hours because of a technical disruption in CME. And after that, when the trading resumed, the spread was extremely high. It was between 50 to 200. So it was almost impossible for trade. Later on, market gave a closing above 4200. Remember, we also discussed about the breakout possibility above 4200. Yes, it happened. And as we all know, the weekly closing plays a very crucial role. The weekly closing above 4200 gave us the signal that market is bullish. The bulls in the market are still dominating. So if you're part of the free Telegram community, then hope you guys were getting the timely updates. Okay, if you're still not a part of the free Telegram community, feel free to join. The link will be in the description. In the free Telegram community, I also showed you guys, okay, when we were discussing about gold, remember gold made a low of 4171 and gold bounced. Okay, at the same time, okay, many brokers, okay, they just took the chance and hit the stop losses. This is how, okay, this is how brokers hunt down stop losses. See, just few days ago, I recorded a video regarding stop loss hunting. Okay, this is how brokers, okay, especially the unregulated brokers, they hunt down stop losses. So if you also witness something like this, where gold made a low of 4130, 4140, okay, when gold was around 4170, then this can be dangerous. So it's high time for you to change your platform, because platform like Xness, okay, you can see platform like Xness also made a low of 4155. If you have been using Xness, then obviously there is okay, there is nothing to hide, because when market makes a low of, let's say, 4200, okay, Xness makes a low of 4190. So if you are also facing such issues from your broker, then my dear friend, it's high time for you to change the broker. Do not be blind, okay, because yesterday many brokers took the advantage and they just killed their clients. Anyways, let's look at the market sentiment. Now, gold rallies to 1 month high. Gold climbed past 4220 per ounce on Friday to a 1 month high and is on track for a fourth straight monthly gain as market price a higher probability of a December Fed rate cut. So market is expecting a rate cut in the month of December, and this was the main reason, okay, why gold was so bullish yesterday. Okay, and one more thing I would like to add here, my dear friends. Okay, feel free to join the free Telegram community and be careful also, because there are lots of scams also going on in my name. For example, you can see the trader next door. Okay, they have signal groups, they have investment schemes going on in my name. These are all scams. Please be careful. Only join the community with the link in the description. Okay, now let's talk about gold. Do not waste time. So market closed around 4220, 4219. This is the last traded price. And if we look at the trend of the market, then obviously there is no doubt that the market is bullish. Okay, and for the market to be bearish, okay, again, or for the bears to control the market, it needs to close below 4150, but chances are rare right now. So we can clearly see the bulls are dominating. As a result, we will be looking for buy positions only, because if you look at a daily chart of gold also, you can see market is overall continuing the upside. The daily chart of gold, and if we just focus on this particular portion of the market here, okay, we can see market is getting ready to cross the previous high here, and there is a possibility the market will be able to cross, because market is forming higher lows here. You can see formation of higher lows, okay, are a strong, okay, sign that yes, market is bullish and it is about to cross the previous high, means this high. So overall you can say that the market is bullish. So if you have any ongoing position, buy position on gold right now, you can hold your buy position. And if you are holding any sell position, then yes, you need to be very careful. If you get chance to exit on Monday, you can exit, because right now we do not have any strong reason where we can expect that gold will be bearish or there will be a trend reversal. Okay. Yes, a profit booking may come, a retracement come, but retracement or profit bookings are temporary. But chances, those who are expecting that gold will be down to 3700, 3800, for that we need a strong fundamental reason, and right now we don't have that. And without any strong fundamental reason, there cannot be a trend reversal. It is impossible, because fundamentals give direction to the market. If gold falls suddenly on Monday to 4150 or 4100, that will be a technical correction. It is temporary. Okay. So right now, if you have any buy, hold your buy position, and if you're looking for a fresh position in the market, then it's better and safer for us to be on the buy side only. So on the chart of gold, the best support is around 4190. Okay, this is the best support on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy position. 4190, or you can also consider 4195. Why? Because the previous resistance will be working as support here. But the problem is that, okay, market is so bullish, chances are little less. So right after the market opening, observe the market condition. If you see that market is coming down with small candles, market is behaving like a normal Monday market. Okay, in that case, okay, you can expect 419095 to provide support, and also 4200. Around here also we can expect the market to take support. 4200 round number psychological support, so we can expect these two levels to provide support to the market. And we also have an immediate support around 4209, 4210. So on the chart of gold, you can see we have two support levels, 4209, 4200 as immediate levels, and also we have 4190. Total three, okay, total three, but personally, I feel 4200, 4190 are better levels to trade. 4209 is a weak level. It should only work when there is on low volume in the market, because when there is low volume in the market, okay, every small level works. And apart from price action, means previous resistance working as support, you can also see we have FIBO here as well. FIBO 23.6% retracement level. Then here we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level. So FIBO 38.2, round number, then we have previous resistance working as support. So 4200 seems to be a good level. We are considering 4190 because FIBO 50, previous resistance working as support. Let's see, okay, how does the market work? And obviously, if market doesn't come for retracement, we can look for buy at breakout above 4229. Okay, or 4230. Above this level, you can look for a buy at breakout. But as I always say, my dear friends, okay, always wait for consolidation. For example, during the Asian session, if we see good amount of consolidation, then it is better, because after consolidation, if market goes up, then it will be a stronger breakout. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Buyers, hold your buy, and those who are looking for a fresh position, okay, safer and not safer, safer and better for us to buy at a retracement. But if market doesn't give us chance to buy at retracement, we can look for buy at breakout over 4229. My dear friends, you can also trade directly from tradingview.com with the help of Vantage, because analyzing on one platform and trading on another platform can be a little bit tedious sometimes. So you can use Vantage. This is pro trader platform. Okay, it's very simple. You can see it's the TradingView platform, and you can also execute your orders directly from here. You can see sell, buy, and you can use your lot size here. It's very simple to use, and everything at one place. So feel free to use Vantage's Pro Trader platform if you're still not using it. And those who do not know about Vantage, okay, my dear friends, Vantage is a global brand. Okay, yesterday when market was under chaos, when many brokers were hunting down the stop losses, okay, Vantage did not do anything like that. Okay, so always use a globally reputed broker like Vantage, because they are not only a multi-regulated broker, but they have more than 5 million registered users with more than 1000 plus products. Vantage also provides insurance up to $1 million for those traders who trade with bigger capital. They are also a member of the Financial Commission. Okay. These are some technical stuff. Okay, if you're a beginner, you won't be able to understand, but these are very necessary things for traders who want safety for their hard-earned capital. You can also join Vantage with our referral link. The link will be in the description. If you use our referral, then you'll also get access to our WhatsApp group as well. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.